Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to replace the LCD display on this Revox B126 compact disc player. In normal circumstances this display is not very well readable. On camera it somehow looks much better than in real life. Also, this video was shot in a sunny room, so that helps a lot. But in real life, the living room like this, the display is hardly readable. It was a very sunny day. In the evening you can barely read what track it's playing because it's so dim. Opening up the case. Removing the front panel. So there are replacement displays being made that use an LED instead of LCD. LED is of course much brighter. It came very well packaged, as you see. In fact, I ordered two displays, one for this CD player and one for my Revox B126 cassette deck. But more on that other display in a later video. This is that other display. It has two displays in one, but it's for the cassette deck. First, the display needs to be removed from the front. There are two plastic clips on either side. Then we have to remove the clear plastic cover and unscrew the three screws that hold the circuit board in place. In fact, it's also held in place on the other side by three plastic clips, but more on that later. This is the new display and the old display. The new one is the light green one. As you may be able to see, the glass of the new display is thicker than the glass of the original display, and that will prove to be a problem in a few moments. Of course, remove the protective cover. When I tried the new display in the three clips, the board would be under a lot of tension to also reach the three screw holes to screw the board in place, and that would not be an advisable solution for the long term. So instead I resolved to secure the new display with just the three screws. But there was also some tension. So I decided to loosen up the three screws so that the board was able to reach the three plastic clips reasonably stress-free. I'm loosening the screws now. So then I decided to use some glue with my new glue gun to attach the board to the clips, like this. There is no stress on the board or on the clips, and it's secure in place. So great success. Then reinstall everything in reverse order. First the clear plastic cover. and then the assembled display back in the front panel. Fortunately, the glue does not interfere. Final snap in place. And another final push, and great success again. The original green bulb is not needed anymore, so it has to come out. And here is the display in action. Very bright, just what I wanted. And here's a display of how it looks in play. This was the old situation and this is the new situation. So I'm very happy. Thank you for watching, and if you like this clip, please consider liking and subscribing.